Welcome to the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes. This video will show you how to enter the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes while traveling southbound on US 287 as you approach I-35W South. As you approach the I-35W merge while traveling south on US 287, move over to the left lane when it's safe to do so. You will see a white pricing sign with several toll rates. The first line shows the HOV2 Plus rate for carpool drivers with passengers or motorcyclists who have activated their 50% weekday rush hour discounts through the free Drive On TEXpress app. The second line shows the pricing for vehicles with valid toll tags. If you don't have a toll tag, rates will be higher. For more info on regional HOV policies, visit nctcog.org. After passing under the pricing sign, you will see a new lane on the left, so move towards it to access the entrance to the NTE 35W TEXpress lanes. The entrance ramp will take you up and over the I-35W southbound traffic and place you onto the TEXpress lanes. Have a safe trip.